Hi, my name is Disana Pereira and this is my custom project for SIT 102 D4 task. The program I created is called Quizmaster. It is a terminal-based quiz game written in C++. The purpose of the program is to challenge the user with a multiple choice questions across three categories, which are maths, science, and geography. The game gives like instant feedback, tracks the user's score, and allows to replay. So let me briefly explain this program structure. First, I used a struct called question. Like as you can see here, this struct stores the text of the question, the four possible answers, the correct answer, and the category. This helps me to organize the quiz data in a structured way. Next, I created an array of 30 question objects. This array acts as the question bank, and it contains 10 questions, as you can see, for each category. By using an array, I can easily loop through and present the questions. I also divided logic in separate functions. Like in here, you can see the ask question function display a single question, collects the user's input and check if it is correct. The play quiz function runs through all 5 questions in the selected category and keeps tracks of the score. Finally, the main function controls the overall flow, such as selecting the category and replaying the game. For control flow, I use if-else statements to check answers, loops to go through the questions, and do-while loop to allow the player to replay the quiz. I also pass the score variable by reference into play quiz, so the score can be updated across the function. This shows my understanding of pointers and references. So now let me run the program. First, I have to choose a category, so I'm going to choose math. Here is the first question, so let's answer this. And when the answer is typed, it gives you like if whether the answer is correct or not. So let me intentionally choose a wrong answer this time. So I'm going to choose 4. And if the answer is false, if the answer is incorrect, it gives a statement called incorrect. Now I will answer the next one correctly again. So the correct answer is 1, and as you can see, it's correct. So like this, I'm going to randomly pick some answers, and after I finish all 5 questions, the program shows my total score out of 5. So apparently, as you can see, I only got 2 questions correct and 3 incorrect, so my final score is 2 out of 5. And as you can see, the same as saying do you want to play again, and if you play, you just have to type 5 and you can choose again a new category. At the if I type Y, I can choose different category, and if N, the game says no. So this time I will try science. As you can see, again we have questions, so let's me answer all 1, and as you can see, all my answers were incorrect, so my final score is 0 out of 4. So if I don't want to play again, I have to say N, and after that it says thank you for playing Quizmaster. So, in summary, my Christmas program demonstrates the key concept, most of the key concepts from SIT 102 module, including like structs, arrays, functions, loops, conditionals, pointers, and clean inputs and output handling. I built this iteratively, tested each step, and improved the design as I went. Through this project, I learned how to like apply programming concepts to complete working solutions. So this is my demonstration of my D4 task. Thank you. Thank you for watching my demonstration.